that's a low quality crap. Besides, the cam itself is very light. Boom! Not even watching. And there you go. So, hello everybody, Daniel here from the Pipl System store, there's it, and we're here to bring safety to every home. And today I'm gonna show you something that worth your attention. The Hikvision EZVIZ C1C home Wi-Fi camera. Now let's get to it.
Subscribe to Pipl Systems YouTube channel and get your special offer on every deal.
Alright, let's be honest. The budget and a low-end tech segment has an incredible amount of cheap cameras, recorders, sensors, well, security devices at all. And mostly that's a low-quality crap. And yeah, this is the main reason why is it so cheap. We know what do we buy. We know that the low price is equal to a low quality and may cause troubles, make us pissed off using those devices, and cause a lot more consequences. And this is the moment when EZVIZ from the Hikvision gets on a scene to actually break that rule. What I mean is this one right here, a brand new fresh EZVIZ C1C home Wi-Fi camera that doesn't even being sold anywhere but China at the moment. But soon it'll get to all the world markets, and it stands in the same line as the Xiaomi Xiaomi, Mijia or I series, Wisecam, Z-Modo, and many other entry-level cameras. And also, we've done a top 5 cams list compilation that would appear right here as a hint. So go check it out and decide which one you like more. Now we are moving on to the unboxing and installation of this. So inside the box there's only like 5 elements. And let's go. So this is the cam itself, yeah. I love it. A lot has been done. There we go. There we go. Awesome. And I need this and this one up here. I don't need this anymore. So here is the user's manual. Yeah. It's boom. Yeah. And this one. Get you out of here. So a metal plate. Yeah. I'll show you what to do with this thing. A power adapter and a mini USB. Yeah, right. Everything simple. And that should be, yes, there is a 2 foam stickers. Right. So the installation. This is what I really loved about this one. Boom! Not even watching. And that's how easy you can mount it. Actually, this ain't a new feature, but I thought I better put an accent on it. Well, the basement down here has a strong magnet and it sticks the camera really hard on the metal surface. Besides, the cam itself is very light. I like that. So there's 2 options of how you can mount it. You got a vertical metal surface and you just stick the camera onto that surface like this. Or you create it by hand with this metal plate and its screws. Second is the double-sided stickers. Well, stick it here and then over any surface, it'll fit well. And there you go. Now let's run through my favorite part, the specifications. So it ain't a new fact that these devices are designed somewhere in the headquarters by genius engineers and then being assembled in China as a facility and then sent to us, which is okay, yeah, we're used to this. And what have changed in our attitude to Chinese products is that it not only produces a low quality fake nonsense but also a highest quality things too. I'm sure you've seen a quality China and you must have heard of the Hikvision and their sub-brand EZVIZ. Yeah, this is it. This is oriented onto the retail consumer. What does that mean? Well, the same extremely low price combined with the proof of quality. It comes in 2 versions. One has 720p record quality and a 110 degrees U angle. The second got 1080p plus 130 degrees U angle. Besides that, enhanced night vision of 40 feet or 12 meters, viewability, built-in microphone out here, and a speaker both, so we are always able to hear what's going on in the house and even speak through the camera. There's the microphone out here. And it also has an infrared motion detect feature. If you're not spectating your house 24 hours and 7 days a week and 30 days a month, it could be in handy. So it will notify you if something unusual happens, and you'll always be aware of things happening in your home. And you can always insert here an SD card up to a 256 gigabytes capacity. The next thing I really like is the Hikvision and EZVIZ respectively service. It allows you to store all of your records in the cloud, having a full video history, and of course the EZVIZ free app. I've seen a lot of apps and web interfaces from different companies, and what I'm sure about is that EZVIZ made it really good, awesome looking, and truly convenient. So there it is. I'll pop on your screen right now as I'm talking about it, and we are smoothly moving on to the cam test setup. And also, don't forget you can always check the latest models or pick any protection tech on the Pipl System store, following the description link. What you need next is to get an EZVIZ free app from the App Store or the Google Play, like I did, here you can see it, and launch the thing. Yep, I've carefully put those links in the description for you, so don't hesitate to click them. They lead straight to the apps. Now what we do here, we press the Add Device button, then we go to the downside, and scan the QR code back here. There we go, it sees the device, press the Add, and waiting, a standard part of this process, isn't it? So there we go. Device is connected, device has been added, the view device, and there you go. From here, we're pretty much able to do all the things it was made for. So you can turn it off. This is the good thing. This is the thing I really love about the two-way audio communication. This is the Valentin. Say hello. Hi, Valentin. Right, so what can I say? You can split it up here, add the cameras to see all of your rooms in your house, which is okay. There's a stop button. I don't know why did I press it. Really, I didn't know. Alright, so and here you can take a snapshot. There you go, just take it. A mirror mode again, or I'll turn it off. And here you can also speak through the camera. Hey everybody, there's the Pipl System. And there we go, I love this. And you can do like this, Alright, so we're pretty much done and it's time for the tutorials now. I really love what EZVIZ did. They have already felt the market with the EZVIZ Minio and Minio Plus release, or their favorite name of a C2C models. Now here is the brand new C1C model in the 720p and 1080p versions. A true consumer-oriented entry-level home Wi-Fi camera on a budget from such a giant as the Hikvision. It has a motion detection, enhanced night vision of 40 feet or 12 meters, two-way audio, micro SD up to 256 gigabytes, cloud storage, easy install and view from anywhere. The best I've seen so far on the entry level. This EZVIZ C1C or any other surveillance equipment is available in a Pipl System store, where you can get your special offer by specifying you're from Daniel as you order any goods from us. Thank you for watching. Safety to you with Pipl Systems.